In the previous video, we talked about control room overview. Now in this video, we'll talk about how to publish process to control room. Here you can see currently we have just only one process that was already published by me. To publish a process, first we should have a process. So here in the studio we have this process, and here we have objects. So as I already told you that objects cannot be published to the control room, only process can be published to control room. So here we have Centrix Data Solutions, and by default process is not published to the control room. I want to publish this process. So to publish the process to the control room, double click on this process information stage, and once it will open this dialog box, then here in the bottom check this option, publish this process to control room. Check this and click OK. Once you check this and click OK, you will see one tick mark here that shows that we have successfully published this process to control room. And if here we have published this process, it means we have published all the pages here at once. You can see these pages also have been published. Now the best practice is, whenever we are making any changes to the process, save that and update your comment. So we have published this one, so just press Ctrl S and put a comment that we have published this process to control room. Save that. So anyone will come and see that okay, this has been published by admin or this user person, right? Now go to control, and as we have just clicked after this studio, so by default automatically this is refreshed now, and we can see here this process now published. Now in the next video we'll talk about how to run a process from control room.